Lesson number 6 of Beginner's English teaches you the 4 forms of the present tense and past tense. You will learn simple present and simple past, present continuous and past continuous, present perfect and past perfect, present perfect continuous and past perfect continuous. Throughout the lesson, the same verb is used. That is the verb bark, B-A-R-K, which is the sound made by dogs. We have the singular form, we have the plural form. We also have a question. Now, when question is asked, you can get an answer in singular or in plural. So we have both the singular and plural form. We have the noun and pronoun form. All this you will learn when you practice the sentence patterns given in this lesson number 6. Who barks? Who barks? Now the answer in singular. A dog barks. A dog barks. Instead of the dog, now pronoun is used. It barks. It barks. Now the plural. Dogs bark. See, the verb barks has changed to bark. A dog has become dogs with no article. Dogs bark. Instead of dogs, now pronoun they. They bark. They bark. All the earlier sentences were simple present. Now we come to simple past. Who barked? Who barked? A dog barked. A dog barked. It barked. It barked. Dogs barked. Dogs barked. They barked. They barked. Who will bark? Now we come to the future. Simple future tense. Who will bark? A dog will bark. A dog will bark. It will bark. It will bark. No change in the verb between singular and plural nouns. A dog will bark, dogs will bark. See the same verb. Dogs will bark. Dogs will bark. They will bark. They will bark. After completing simple past tense, now we begin present continuous. Who is barking? Who is barking? A dog is barking. A dog is barking. It is barking. It is barking. Dogs are barking. Dogs are barking. They are barking. They are barking. From present continuous, we move to past continuous. Who was barking? Who was barking? A dog was barking. A dog was barking. It was barking. It was barking. Dogs were barking. Dogs were barking. They were barking. They were barking. Who has barked? Who has barked? A dog has barked. A dog has barked. It has barked. It has barked. Dogs have barked. Dogs have barked. They have barked. All these are present perfect. They have barked. Who had barked? Who had barked? Now these sentences are past perfect. A dog had barked. A dog had barked. It had barked. It had barked. Dogs had barked. Dogs had barked. They had barked. They had barked. Now we come to present perfect continuous. Who has been barking? Who has been barking? A dog has been barking. A dog has been barking. It has been barking. It has been barking. Dogs have been barking. Dogs have been barking. They have been barking. They have been barking. Now we come to past perfect continuous. Who had been barking? Who had been barking? A dog had been barking. A dog had been barking. It had been barking. It had been barking. Dogs had been barking. Dogs had been barking. They had been barking. They had been barking. Please note what we learnt in this lesson. We learnt the singular and plural. Dog, singular, one dog. We said a dog. Then we said dogs, plural. With dog, we used a, that is article. For dog, we said it, singular. Then we said plural, they, pronoun forms. Then we learned the verb form be and have. That is, for continuous and perfect continuous tenses, we used be. For perfect and perfect continuous tenses, we used have. These are helping verbs. We also learnt the ing form. We took only one verb, bark, B-A-R-K, and that is an intransitive verb. Barking, ing form, and barked, ed. But we did not pronounce ed as barked. We didn't say d, we said t. Barked. Throughout, you note the pronunciation. Then you will find that you have learnt nouns, pronouns, helping verbs, and pronunciation in this video.